No. Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Tim. I'm a customer success manager. Today we'll have a session onboarding. So the first step, what we'll need to do is create an account on DISPL. To do that, we'll go to our page, displ.com, and we'll need to press login. And here you will see the sign up now. Okay, here you will need to put your details like email, phone number, and the web page of your company if you have. Okay, team.com. DISPL.com and the phone number. And first create. Then you will get an invitation on your email. Okay, then you will get an invitation on your email. It will look like that. And you will need to press activate. Okay, so you will need to put your name, surname, your phone number, the language, and you will need to create the password here. Okay, so the next stage that we will need to create our domain name. So it will be the company name, displ.com, and you will need to find your country on the list. So login will be your email. And the password which you created. Okay, here is our control management system. Here you can add devices, you can control them, and work with the data which is collected through the DISPL app. To download the DISPL app, you can go to the settings and download section. Here you can find the DISPL app for Windows, for Android, for Linux, and for macOS. For iOS, you can go to the App Store and find the player on the App Store by typing the DISPL player on the search. Okay, so for now, I have a DISPL app, which is installed on my device. Yes, this one. And now I need to connect my device to the control management system. To do that, I will go to the devices section. And here, you will need to press add device. Then it will ask you to create the name of this device, for example, test. And press add device. Then if you don't have any groups with additional users, we just press close. Then the connection code will appear. This code we need just to copy and put it on our DISPL app on the section connect your device. Okay, so the player is, the device is connected. Here, the status is changed. It was not connected. Now it's empty. When I click on this device, on the right side, I can find all information about device which is connected to the control management system. I can see how many screens is connected, the resolution of the screens. I can find the version of the player, the information about the CPU, and additionally, I can make the screenshot. I can see what is running on the screen 5 times. Yeah, for now, it's just a black screen. On the next section, on the settings, you can find the quick actions. Quick actions give us access just to communicate with this device by sending command. For example, you can send a command to make the volume up and down if it needed. You can reboot device. restart the player or update the player, because all the time we're making tons of improvements of our product, and you can just press update and you will get a new version on your device. On the schedule events, you can control the settings of the DISPL app itself. For example, you decided to turn on or off some function, all you can do remotely. So, for example, you decided to change the camera rotation, you can send the command and the camera will be rotated. On the commands, you can control the settings of the device. So on the macOS, iOS operation system, there is not so much commands, but if it will be a Windows or Android, you can find on this section more than 4 commands to control the device. So the next function is monitoring. So monitoring gives us access just to monitor into device. Just example, if you put this device for one of your store, and sometimes it happens, so for some reason, device just lost connection. In this case, if you will turn it on, you will get a notification on your email that name of this device just lost connection to the server, or maybe the camera is not active, someone maybe unplugged it by mistake. You will also get a notification. It's very useful when you're collecting the data about your audience to fix the issue immediately. Do not lose the time when the device is collecting the data. Okay, so now we connected our device to the platform. Now we need to play something on the screen. To do that, we can go to the schedule section. And this is the media plan where you can create some campaign with the different scenarios. To create the campaign, you can press +add. Then 3 options will appear. The first one give you access to use the template to play the simple scenario, to play the video and images only in horizontal orientation. The second one, you can use the template to play the audio playlist and control them. And the third one from template, you can find here a lots of custom templates for the different scenarios. As you can see, the template to collect the feedback from the customers, and maybe you have 2 screens or 3 screens. You can use these templates. Additionally, you can visit our web page, displ.com, and you can find here use cases from our different projects. And for most of these use cases, we have the templates, which is uploaded to your platform. So for now, we can use the simple template to play the video or image. It's called full screen static, and press apply. So this is the campaign on the media plan. You can change the name of the campaign. For example, full screen video. And as you can see, this is your screen. So the resolution of this screen is here. And this resolution is adjustable. If you have just no standard screen, we can change the resolution on our application, which is called the DISPL Designer. Okay, for now we have the full HD screen, and this layout is empty now. So we need to add some content, some ads. To add the content, you can press +add, and then the several options will appear. The first one gives you access to add the content through the platform if you added it previously. Now, as you can see, it's empty. There's nothing there. And the second one, if you have some files with not standard format, you can use this section. And the third one from file, if you have the content on your laptop or on your device, you can choose, just a moment. Yeah, you can choose one of these ads, for example, this one, welcome picture, and press upload. Start uploading, and as you can see, this section is full now. The next one, target the campaign. You can put some rules about the targeting. For example, if the camera is connected to the device, you can put the rules to show this content only for male and only from 20 till 30. And when the 25, 24 years old guy will appear in front of the screen, this picture will be showing for this group of people. Additionally, we have here a geofence. What the geofence means, so it's a geo-targeting. On the geo-targeting, you can put the coordinates. For example, you put the coordinates of the Starbucks. Geo-targeting mostly used for the cars, which has a display in top of the roof, or maybe like a Uber, which is have tablets inside. So, for example, you put the coordinates of Starbucks, and when the car will arrive by these coordinates, the special content will appear on the screen. When the car will leave from this place, it will start playing just the usual ads on the screen. Yeah, this is about the geo-targeting. Set the schedule. You can put some rules about the scheduling. You can just plan this campaign. For example, you want to show these ads on a special day and a special time. You can choose the day, you can choose the time. When this day and time will start, this campaign will be showing on the screen. The next section, alternate. Alternate give us access just to switch between campaigns. For example, we have 5 campaigns, and if this section is off, so this campaign will be playing on the loop, on the repeat. But if you will turn it on, after finishing this campaign, it will go automatically to the second one. For now, we'll leave it off and put unlimited. On the set the venue, we will need to choose the device where we decided to play this scenario with these ads. We have only one device. We will choose this one and press apply. And the last one, just running existing campaign. As you can see, the status is active. If I will go back to the devices section, it's empty. Okay, as you can see, the status is changed. Now it's playback. Also, I can just make the screenshot. I can see what is running on the DISPL app. Yeah, welcome. Let's open the DISPL app. And here you go. Our content is now playing on the screen. Okay, this is how to connect the device and assign the campaign with the simple scenario. For now, I want to show you how the algorithms is working. In this case, we have a special template. Again, I need to go to the schedule plus campaign. And I will need to choose the template, which is called Install Burn Zone Analytic, and press apply. Again, I can change the name, metrics. So in this scenario, targeting is off, date is unlimited, and device the same one. And press run. It's active now. Playback. So let me turn off the camera on here. So on the player, we'll need to make some adjustments. First, what we will need to do is we'll need to go to the general and choose the non-personalized recognition of facial attributes. And here we will need to turn on these attributes by which we will analyze your audience. Okay, let's go through the attributes. The first one is gender, age. The second one, attributes like hair color, caps, sunglasses, etc. So emotions, so we can work with the mimics of our audience. Customer journey allows you to just detect the person and give him the ID, and you can understand if this person just passed through the camera twice. So we can see the unique customers. High sensitive. If you will turn it off, so the player will have access to work only with the full faces, which is detected by the algorithm. So in this case, we'll work only with full faces, not the half faces in profile, maybe on the back of the head, etc. And the mask is just a normal face mask, which we used on pandemic. We will leave it off, of course. No, we will not use. Okay, so the next section is connection. Here we will need to open these two thunders, send playback data and send audience data. These functions give access to the player to send information about your audience and about the content which is playing on the screen. So on the devices, we'll need to choose the camera and to check how the camera is just set up properly, how it's working. As you can see, the algorithm already started detecting my face. I can just move my head. And here you can just choose if it's, for example, a phone or tablet. You can choose the front camera or back camera. Also, our player have access to connect to the security cameras. You can write here the RTSP or HTTP protocol stream, and your camera will be connected to the IP camera. And your player can be connected to the IP camera. For now, we will choose auto. On the camera resolution, you can change the resolution of the camera. By default, we recommend using this one. It's just optimal. Yeah. Okay, all the settings is done. Now we just need to go back and press continue playback. Okay, so here you can see how the algorithm is just analyzing my face. As you can find that it shows my gender, age. Actually, I'm 32. Yeah, plus minus 4. It depends on the light condition and the quality of detection. If the lights is good enough on the place, so it will be more accurate results. Additionally, I want to show you with some attributes like classes. Dark. Just show you how fast the algorithm detecting your face. Yeah, it takes maybe 1.5 or 1 seconds to start analyze your face. Additionally, we can make the targeting. For example, you want to show the content for people who are wearing the sunglasses. When the camera detected this kind of audience, it will be the trigger on the screen with the special content only for this group of people. Okay, so if you decided to use if you decided to prepare the device to use our solution, to use the DISPL app for just different scenarios, like only for playing the content or collect the data, or both of these solutions, so you can visit our webpage And on the Help Center, you can find the user manual. And on the player section, you can find the system requirements. By these requirements, you can find the device for the scenario for analytic, or just for signage. We have here the minimal and the recommended. By these requirements, you can prepare the device and use our DISPL app. Additionally, our player can be installed on different types of screens, as you can find on our webpage. We have the section with the digital signage, and you can see here from with which platform our player is working. It's Windows, iOS, Android, Linux, WebOS, and Samsung. Also, we just making some improvement to add the macOS platform and the bright side.